This is the 8th episode, and here we'll use the card component to work on the themes. First, let's add the title and a subtitle. So open the code editor, and just after services, add the comment themes. Then add a div with ID themes. Let's also add the Bootstrap class for padding top and bottom. So add py-5. Then add another div with the class container fluid. Again, let's add another div with the class title holder. Now for the title, I will use the s2 tag. I will then copy the title from the website and paste them over here. Since themes has got a blue color, I will add them under the span tag so I can style them. Then let's use p tag for the subtitle. So again, I will copy them from the website and paste them over here. Once done, check the preview. And now we can see title and subtitle. Now let's add these theme members. So we will use grid and card component. First, let's use the grid. So just after the title holder, add div with the class row. Let's use some gutter value. So add gy-4. Now let's add another div with the class call lg3. Now for the content, we need card component. So open Bootstrap, click Docs, and under Components, click Card. You can copy all of this HTML code and paste them inside this call div. Now let's remove this a tag because we don't have any links. Then let's also remove this inline style. Now let's add the image. All my images are inside this images folder. So here let's add images / the name of the image, which is gabriel.jpg. Let's also update this alt attribute. Then copy the title and paste them over here. So here title means the name of the person. Then copy the designation. Once done, check the preview. And we can see the card component. Now let's add the remaining team members. So copy this call div and paste them 3 more times. You can then update each item. First, let's update the image. Then update the name and finally update the designation. Now you can follow the same process. Update the name, image and designation. Once done, check the preview, and now we can see all the team members. Also, if you compare it with the design, it is looking exactly the same. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll use the accordion component to work on FAQ. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.